Welcome to my channel, Intelligent Quiz Explorer. Manufacturing is the backbone of modern life, turning raw materials into the products we use daily. From food to technology, everything goes through carefully designed industrial processes. But what actually happens inside factories remains unseen by most people. In this video, we'll explore how everyday products are made step by step. 1. Chocolate manufacturing. Chocolate begins with cocoa beans that are fermented and dried to develop flavor. The beans are roasted, crushed, and turned into a thick cocoa paste. This paste is refined and mixed to achieve a smooth texture. Finally, it is tempered, molded, and packaged into chocolate bars. 2. Automobile manufacturing. Car production starts by shaping metal sheets into body parts using heavy machines. These parts are welded together by robotic systems with high precision. The car body is painted in dust-free environments for a smooth finish. Engines, electronics, and interiors are added before final testing. 3. Smartphone manufacturing. Smartphones begin with silicon wafers used to create microchips in clean rooms. Tiny circuits are formed using advanced techniques like photolithography. Components such as screens, batteries, and cameras are assembled carefully. Each device is tested to ensure quality and performance. 4. Soap production. Soap is produced through a chemical reaction between oils and an alkali. This process forms soap along with glycerin as a byproduct. Fragrances, colors, and other ingredients are added to improve quality. The mixture is molded, hardened, and cut into bars. 5. Perfume manufacturing. Perfume starts with extracting essential oils from natural sources. These oils are blended to create unique fragrance layers. The mixture is combined with alcohol and aged for better scent development. Finally, it is filtered and bottled for use. 6. Paper manufacturing. Paper is made by converting wood into pulp through processing. The pulp is cleaned and spread into thin layers. These layers are pressed and dried to form sheets. The paper is then rolled and cut into different sizes. 7. Plastic bottle manufacturing. Plastic pellets are melted into a soft material. This material is shaped into a preform before molding. Air is blown into the mold to form the bottle shape. After cooling, bottles are trimmed and prepared for use. 8. Footwear manufacturing. Shoes are designed and materials are cut into required shapes. The upper parts are stitched together carefully. Soles are attached using adhesives or molding techniques. Final finishing ensures comfort and durability. 9. Bread production. Bread is made by mixing flour, water, yeast, and salt into dough. The dough is left to rise through fermentation. It is shaped and baked in controlled ovens. After cooling, bread is sliced and packaged. 10. Battery manufacturing. Batteries are made by assembling layers that store energy. Electrodes and separators are arranged carefully. An electrolyte is added to enable energy flow. The battery is sealed and tested for safety and performance. Which one did you find the most interesting? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.